Hello friends, welcome to the class of Cost and Works Accounting. In this video, we are going to see methods of classification of cost. This is a disclaimer statement of this particular video. Methods of cost classification. So cost can be classified by various ways. One of the ways association. You need to associate the cost to what? Either to product or to period. Okay, so these product costs are called as inventoriable cost because they form a part of value of inventories of finished goods. For example, the expenses incurred on direct material, direct labor, and factory overheads. Those overheads comes under the product cost. Another is period cost. So these costs are associated with a particular accounting period and they are not formed in the inventories of the factory. That cost may not be included. So these costs are generally directly charged to the profit and loss account. Okay, so for example, rent, salaries of staff, traveling expenses, etc. Okay. Next, methods of cost classification according to investment wise. So again, there are two types. One, that is capital cost. Second is the revenue cost. So capital cost. So this capital cost, this is in relation with the benefit accrue from that particular expenditure. So if the benefit is long enough, more than one accounting period, then uh, this particular cost will be known as capital cost. Whereas revenue cost, this revenue cost, when you get the benefit for a current period, okay, so that will be your revenue cost. Next, according to the relevancy wise. So first, relevant cost and second is irrelevant cost. So as the name suggests, relevant. Okay, relevant to the decisions which is under consideration. Okay, so if that particular expenditure is directly impacting on the decision which is under consideration, it will known as a relevant cost. For example, marginal cost. It's a relevant cost. Margin means uh, marginal cost is a cost which is incurred when you produce one extra unit. Okay, that is called marginal cost. So basically, marginal cost is a relevant cost, and irrelevant cost which is not related or which is not concerned with the uh, problem which is under consideration or decision under consideration. So basically, this sunk cost. So sunk cost means the cost which you have already incurred, past cost. So these costs comes under the irrelevant cost because they are past costs. They will not have impact on the decisions which you are going to take in near future or in a present time. So these costs called irrelevant cost. Okay, so thus we completed here. First we completed the elements of cost and now we have completed the classification of cost. So Now let us move to the next point, that is cost sheet and quotation. This we'll see in the next video. This is the disclaimer statement of this particular video. Once again, for more details you can also visit to YouTube channel Rayat Knowledge Bank. Thank you very much.